Hi everybody, can you hear me? Can you see me? Hello. Hi everybody, can you hear me? Can you see me? Hello. Okay. Hello everybody, this is Bhavana Bisht, your educator for today. This is me live, that's my photo, and that's a little information about me. Hello Hussein Pre-Medical, hello. I hope there is no cracks in my voice, right? Can you hear any? I cannot. If you do hear, let me know. Cool. Yes, that's a little information about me. You can go through it whenever you have the time. Otherwise, I'll let you know. I've been teaching for 4+ years. I have done my masters in botany, and I know Hindi, English, Marathi. So if there's any place where you feel like you're not understanding, you're not getting the grasp of things, so you can let me know. Okay, so I can try to explain it in another language that you understand better. Moving on, so today is the last part of the chapter life processes, and that is, thank you so much Hussein, and that is excretion. Okay, the last part, last topic in the chapter life processes. Okay, so we are already done with nutrition, then we did transportation. Yes, now we are going to excretion. So let's do it. Respiration is also done. Shall we begin? Everybody, okay, let's move it. So let's put our thinking caps on and let's crack it. So whenever we talk about excretion in human beings, okay, always remember the kidney that you talk about. I know you don't talk about our kidneys regularly, but you do, right? When you are joking about buying an iPhone, don't you? Don't you? Do you? Okay, so whenever we talk about your excretory system, you just need to remember your favorite cuisine of all time, and that is Rajma Chawal. Well, you can remember Rajma Chawal if you wish to. Yes, so we have Rajmas. Why Rajmas? Because if you know what Rajmas are, they are called as kidney beans in English. And why are they called as kidney beans? Because the shape of the Rajma and the shape of your kidney is ditto same. It is absolutely same. Yes. So the parts, the organs in the human body that make up your excretory system are. Who are they? Who are they? They are pair of kidneys, pair of ureters, and a urinary bladder. And to top it all off, we have the urethra. Okay, so a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, and a urinary bladder and urethra is what makes the excretory system in human beings. Okay, now you will be like, ma'am, where are the kidneys present, just in case and for future if I require to know. So you can take your hands, okay, take it to your back. Do you feel your backbone? Do you feel the spinal cord in the middle of your back? Yes. So on both the sides of the spinal cord you have the presence of the kidneys, the left and the right kidney. Okay, well, I'll give you one fact. Should I? Your left kidney is a little bit lower in comparison to your right kidney. Do you know why? If you do know, please let me know in the comment section, and if you want to know why, stay till the end of the session. I'll tell you the answer. So what happens now? The urine is produced in the kidneys. Okay, the urine is produced in the kidneys. From the kidneys it is transferred into the ureter. Okay, both the kidneys are functioning simultaneously, and then the urine is stored in the urinary bladder. Okay, and it is there for some time, and then you're like, ma'am, may I go to the washroom? Yeah, that is when the urinary bladder is telling you, go, I cannot handle anymore. Okay, so the urine is thrown out of the body through the urethra. Understood? Yes. Why? Well, Hussein, think about it, and if you can't, I'll let you know towards the end of the session. Hello, Muskan Josie. How are you? Okay, moving on. So, can you see the kidney? Yes. Now you have the artery bringing in, the vein bringing in the blood which needs purification. So it is going to the kidneys. The kidneys are purifying it, and then what is happening? The blood which is purified, all the waste material is taken away from it. So it is going out. Yes, it is going away from the kidneys. Yes, and whatever are the waste material, okay, whatever is the waste material, it is thrown out of the kidney. It is going downwards into the urinary bladder. Okay, these are your ureters. Understood? Yes. The Menti quiz for this session is going to happen day after tomorrow, not today. Okay, Mukul? Today we are just going to learn about the theory part, and day after tomorrow is when we are going to have the Menti. Okay? Clear? Yes. Now, the next important, okay, that you and me are able to walk this earth. Why? Because we are made up of cells, right? So, cell is a fundamental unit of life. But, yeah, kidneys also have a fundamental unit. And that fundamental unit is called as the nephron. Nephron is a fundamental unit. It is the basic filtration unit of the kidneys. Yes. Now. Each kidney is packed with millions of number of nephrons, and they are very closely packed together. But what is the job of nephron? Why is it present there? Why is it present there? So it is present there because why? Any idea? Are filtration na baba. So what does it filter out? So when your blood is brought into the nephron, okay, and it is brought in the nephron into a Guchura-Muchura structure called as the glomerulus over here, okay. Then there's a capsule-like structure in which the glomerulus is there. This capsule is called as the Bowman's capsule, which absorbs all the impurities, whatever it thinks. Oh, ye nahi chahiye, I don't require all of this, so it just absorbs away, okay. And then whatever is absorbed travels through this pipe, okay. And when it is traveling through this tube, that is where something called as selective reabsorption happens. Now, why do I need the selective reabsorption? Because when the Bowman's capsule is taking in all he thinks is waste, it is taking glucose, amino acids, salts, lot of water. Yes, but the body is like, kahan fek raha hai? Why are you throwing it away? Huh? You might require it later, right? Yes, and that is why they selectively reabsorb it back. Okay, and that selective reabsorption happens in this tubule. Okay, and then whatever is remaining inside the tubule, that is thrown in the collective duct. Okay, and many collecting duct come together and give away the urine, which the ureters goes into the urinary bladder. Okay. Hi, Red Sus. Hello. I remember you. Okay, now most of you will be like, ma'am, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, so you see, the blood is brought into the glomerulus through the renal artery. Can you see this? It is brought in through the renal artery. This is the glomerulus. Okay. Now. If in the tubule selective reabsorption is happening, right? So who is like after absorption? Is the tubule, sorry for that. Is the tubule only going to reabsorb? But reabsorb करके जाएगा किधर? Where is it going to go? Is it going to go into your house or mine? In the small intestine, if absorption happens, where is your food going? Who is taking your food to the blood? The blood vessels, right? Yes. So that is why the blood vessels are also surrounding the tubule. Okay, so they can selectively reabsorb whatever they might require, the body might require in the future. Understood? Clear, everybody? Is it clear? Okay. If you have any doubts till here, please let me know. So urine is then stored in the urinary bladder. Bladder is muscular. It is under your nervous system. Okay, so we can usually control the urge to pee. But then, if you don't pee for a very, very amazingly long period of time, then the urinary bladder also bursts. Okay, so please make sure that you don't do it. Okay, but it is when it is held for a very long period of time. Okay, so this GIF over here absolutely explains how and what is happening. Okay. Hi, Soumya Oja. Absolutely, I know you. How are you? A very good evening, bacha. So can you see from the glomerulus, the woman's capsule is taking everything. It is taking sodium, it is taking in glucose, it is taking in amino acids, right? But when these things are going through the tubule, right? Now this is where they are deciding, oh, wait, I don't need that. Yes. So sodium is given out, then glucose is given out, amino acids are given out. Yes. And then whatever is remaining goes into the collecting duct. Okay. So this is how everything happens. Okay, now if you are a person who does not understand what exactly is happening in the glomerulus in the woman's capsule, so pay attention to this. Can you see? Can you see the blood is entering the glomerulus? Yes. And then how the woman's capsule is taking it, whatever it thinks is waste. Yes. And then this is going towards the nephron. Okay. And then the blood is moving ahead to its path. Can you see that? Yes, Soumya, I remember you absolutely fine. How are you doing there? Then, how is the total kidney functioning? Huh? How is the total kidney functioning? Tell me about it. So this is what is happening. Can you see? The blood is entering. Okay, all the blood that needs to be detoxified is entering over here. Then whatever is good enough reabsorbed, it goes back into the blood. Yes, it goes back into the circulatory system, and whatever is not required, it is given out of the kidney through the ureters, which goes into the urinary bladder, and through the urinary bladder it goes to the urethra, through which it comes out of the body. Okay. Hi, Sashi. Hello. How are you doing? You all are fabulous. But Soumya, I'm seeing you after a very long time. Okay. Now that was it for excretion in human beings. Now let's talk about excretion in plants. Now they excrete. Yes, they excrete. They are also living beings, right? They also produce waste. So how do they excrete, ma'am? Well, so first of all, they excrete how? By giving away all their waste materials to सूखा leaves. Yes, because they know, oh, that leaf is old, अभी वो leaf क्या है? बुड्ढा है. So we know that the leaf is going to fall down, right? So क्यों ना ऐसा करेगी, जो waste है उसको भी बोले, तू जा ही रहा है ना, उसको भी लेते जा. Yeah, you take it with you. So we get rid of the old leaf as well as the waste material, right? So that is how the old leaves not only are old, but they also contain the waste material of the plant. Okay. And we also have secretions which are coming out of the plant. You can see resin is coming out over here. So these are also what? Excretory products of the plant. And you can see over here it is the rubber which is coming out from inside the plant and is being collected, because most of the excretory products that plant produced are used by the humans in different industries for various commercial purposes. Okay, sometimes plants also give away their waste through the roots into the surrounding soil. Okay, GIF is satisfying. Oh, great. Okay, so do we have any doubts? Do we have any doubts in whatever we have studied over? Hi, Mayank Rathi. Hello. Do we have any doubts to whatever we have studied till now? Anybody, everybody? If you have any doubts in excretory systems in human beings, excretion in plants, you can ask me right now. And everybody present here, do not forget, okay? Please do not forget that there is a Menti quiz on the topic excretion of life processes, and that is going to happen day after tomorrow, okay? That is on 11th of February, same timing, that is at 6:15 p.m. okay? So Menti quiz on the same topic, menti.com pe we are going to have a quiz on the same topic, that is on 11th of February at 6:15 p.m. okay? And also excretion in Marathi. No, can't I do that? Hi Shreyansh, are you I think you are late to the session because I have already explained nephrons. We are already done explaining. Were you there? Do you want me to repeat the explanation? Or are you going to watch the recording? Hussein, you can't understand English. You're typing in English and you're saying not understand English. Well, nephron is the basic filtration unit of the kidney. Yes. So when we talk about the basic filtration unit of the kidney, we should remember that there are thousands and millions of nephrons present inside the kidney. Okay. And this is how they are functioning. From the glomerulus, the blood enters the Bowman's capsule. Okay. This is your Bowman's capsule. It is absorbing all it thinks is waste. It can also have sodium, amino acids, extra water, but we all know that that might be required by the body, right? Further, so all of these things are reabsorbed. As you can see, it is coming back into the capillaries, so it is reabsorbed, and whatever is remaining, whatever filtrate is remaining, goes into the collecting duct. Okay. And that is how we get the formation of urine. So whatever is there in the collecting duct, all of these collecting duct come together and they fall into the ureter, and from the ureter it goes into the urinary bladder and then it is given out in the body. That is it. Okay, Shreyansh, that is it. Okay, so I guess we don't have many doubts over here. Yes, so everything is clear. And if you have any doubts, please ask me in the live chat section, or you can also put them down in the comment section. Cool? Yeah. Now, that is it for excretion. Now, you and I were able to be a part of this excretory system session. Why? Because of the Unacademy channel on YouTube. But don't forget that Unacademy has its own app, and once you download the app, you need to know that it has a plus plan, right? In plus plan, you have live classes for all the subjects daily. They are happening all day, every day. We have weekly quizzes, doubt solving live sessions, practice questions, test series, everything at your fingertips. That is correct. Then we also have iconic subscription, where only you don't get all of these things, but you also get India's best educators, interactive live classes, live tests and quizzes, creative corner. Arey man, these are all plus man, right? But what is extra? You get your own personal mentor, a live doubt solution session, parent connect, and study planner. So your work is only to open your textbooks and read because everything will be, all the planning is given to you. Yes, and also don't forget that till 28th of February you have 10% discount. After 28th of February you are going to receive only 5% of discount. So if you are a person who is looking to subscribe to Unacademy, this is the right time. And do not forget to use the code BBLIVE10 if you want to get that 10% discount. Okay, because from March onwards it is going to be just 5%. Okay, so subscribe using the code BBLIVE10. Okay, yes. Ma'am, I saw diagram. Yes, you can make the diagram that I showed in the GIF. That diagram, simple diagrams are also okay. Okay, you can also make this diagram over here. You can make this diagram in the examination. Okay, or you can you can make this diagram. This is the diagram that you can make in the examinations. Okay, without the numberings. Okay, now before I'll answer all of your doubts after I tell you about the Unacademy Ascend Championship that is happening on 13th of February, and this Unacademy Ascend is happening for all classes from 6th to 12th, and it is going to happen at 11 a.m. on 13th of February. But only at 11 a.m. No, till 12 p.m. So just make sure that you are ready. You can win scholarships up to 5 lakhs. So how will you be able to attempt Unacademy Ascend? So you have to enroll. If you are a new user, you don't have the Unacademy app, you have to go to the Unacademy's website. You can register for free or download the Unacademy app. Okay, there you select your goal. You can be CBSE Class 10th, 9th, 6th, 11th, 12th, 7th, 8th, doesn't matter. Just select your category. Okay, because that is your standard, and go to free classes. You'll get a option over here, free classes. Click on Unacademy Ascend All India Championship and you're all set to attempt the Unacademy Ascend. Okay, how to become a champion? Do you want to become a champion? Because we have it for you. We have Unacademy Ascend Championship. So prepare for the Unacademy Ascend. So there are batches available under the name of Prepare for Ascend. Okay, so go and attend those sessions. They are covering all of your portion that is there for Ascend. So on 13th of February, attempt the test and then analyze your Unacademy Ascend scholarship results with our top educators on 13th of February itself. Okay, so don't forget, enroll right now. The link is also given in the description section. Okay, and if you are a person of 10th standard, do not forget, if you want to watch any free live classes, you have to book a free live class. So the code that you are going to use to book a free live class is BBLIVE10. Okay, once you book a class, you can only watch one class at a time. You cannot watch any classes any further. Then you have to decide whether you have to subscribe to Plus or not. Okay, you can watch recordings of that session. And if you're like, ma'am, what are extra benefits of Plus? Well, you have a feature, Ask a Doubt. Okay, and in Ask a Doubt, you have to just click on Ask a Doubt, click the photo of your doubt, and you are going to receive a video solution of it instantaneously. Yes, so you don't have to go place by place, lecture by lecture, asking somebody to solve your doubt, because your doubts will be solved within seconds now. Absolutely correct. And also English, Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, all of these topics are covered for practice. So you're all ready for your board examinations. And also we have daily tutoring test series, so which increases your confidence. And this is my favorite slide. It tells you all about the upcoming batches. And don't forget that it is available in English, Hindi both. So अगर आपको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती है तो आप लैंग्वेज हिंदी चूज़ कीजिए एंड यू विल सी द सेशंस इन हिंदी. आपको सेशंस हिंदी में दिखेंगे. एंड अगर इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी सो प्लीज अटेंड योर सेशंस इन इंग्लिश. ओके, yes. And last but not the least, ma'am, so the homework for you is to revise whatever we have learned today. Okay, why? Because on 11th of February, okay, on 11th of February we are going to have a mini quiz. Okay, same timing, that is at 6:15 p.m. Okay, another reminder that in February only you have 10% discount. So if you are thinking of coming to Unacademy Plus, this is the right time. Use the code BBLIVE10 because from March onwards it is going to be just 5%. Okay, so do not miss out on this opportunity, and I will see you on 11th of February with an amazing Menti quiz. Okay, I hope everything was clear to you. Yes, Hussein, thank you so much. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can let me know right now. Otherwise, we are going to end the session. I am waiting in the live chat section. And also, guys, do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you understood everybody. If you think it was a good session. Yes. Thank you so much, Hussein. Till then, bye-bye, everybody. See you. Thank you, everybody. Okay, and if this video goes off, don't worry, you can put the doubts in the comment section and I'll make a special video just to answer your doubts. Okay, till then, bye bye, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time.